Hello and welcome back to our series on helping kids become smart learners in today's tech-driven world. In this video, we're diving into an exciting topic, coding toys and technology for younger kids. If you're a parent or an educator wondering how to introduce these advanced concepts in a fun and engaging way, you're in the right place. Keep watching till the end of this video and choose the right toy for any kid as a gift next time. Segment 1. Coding toys for ages 3 to 5, which is pre-K and early learners. Let's start with coding toys designed for the youngest learners, ages 3 to 5. These toys are screen-free and focus on introducing logical thinking and basic sequencing skills. Maybe I can say teaching kids coding without letting them know it is coding.
Cubetto, the wooden robot. Cubetto is a very friendly wooden robot toy which works using physical blocks on a control board. It's as simple as arranging the blocks to make Cubetto move. Perfect for hands-on exploration. Bebo. Bebo is a programmable robot that teaches sequencing and directional skills. Kids press buttons on Bebot's back to make it follow a path. Simple yet effective. Kobo coding robot. Kobo is another screen-free coding toy for kids, aged 3 and up. It uses cards to teach basic coding concepts through interactive play. Caterpillar Twist. This toy is all about sequencing, and each segment of the caterpillar represents a command. Kids rearrange them to navigate paths. It's a fun way to teach problem solving. Learning Resources Code and Go Robot Mouse. This is another screen-free option for ages 4 and above. Kids design mazes and program the mouse to find the cheese.
Segment 2. Coding toys for ages 5 to 8, which is intermediate learners. For kids aged 5 to 8, let's explore some toys that mix hands-on play with screen-based interactions.
Botley, the coding robot. For ages 5 and up, Botley offers screen-free coding fun with simple commands and accessories to complete challenges. Osmo Coding Starter Kit. Osmo is fantastic for ages 5 to 10. Kids use physical coding tiles to solve on-screen challenges, enhancing their logical thinking and creativity. Ozobot. Designed for ages 5 and up, Ozobot offers both screen-free physical play and app-based coding for a seamless learning experience.
Segment 3. Coding toys for ages 8 to 12, which is advanced learners. For older kids aged 8 to 12, there are different coding toys that work on screen-based challenges.
Lego Boost Creative Toolbox. This kit lets kids build robots and program them using a simple app. It's a perfect blend of creativity and coding. Spherables. Spherables is a coding robotic ball designed to inspire curiosity in coding. It empowers kids to explore creativity, coding, and inventiveness. Mbot 2 Coding Robot. Great for ages 8 and up. Mbot 2 combines robotics with coding, making it a versatile education tool. Whalesbot E7 Pro. Designed for kids 8 and up, this coding robot offers interactive challenges and coding activities. Sphero Mini. A tiny robotic ball that's versatile and lets kids experiment with different commands while honing their coding skills. Kano Harry Potter Coding Kit. This kit lets kids build a wand and program magic spells, blending coding with imaginative play.
Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for parents. 1. Start early but keep it simple. Choose toys that match your child's developmental stage. Mix screen-based and hands-on activities. Balance coding apps with tangible toys for a well-rounded experience. Number 3. Look for budget-friendly options. Many toys like Caterpillar offer great value without breaking the bank. To help you with this, we're including a detailed list with pictures and where to buy these toys according to age groups in the comment box below. The list is not complete, and there are many more amazing toys you can explore as perfect gifts for kids of all ages in your circle. That's it for today's video. I hope you are excited as I am about this amazing tool that can spark creativity and innovations, of course, in kids. In the next video, we'll explore some free coding platforms for kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's help shape the innovators of tomorrow, one toy at a time.